best policy. 5th class student Arshia.
Good morning to all. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy means being honest with the people in the life. Being honest help others on us and show our real character to them, which is enough to let them know that we always tell the truth. Being trustworthy helps us to build a strong relationship by assuring others about our trustworthy nature. On the other hand, people who are dishonest never get second chance once they tell lie to people. It happens because people think that they will always be cheated in future by the dishonest person through lots of white lies. Honesty is like a good weapon in the life, which benefits us through many advantages, and it can be developed naturally without any cost. Honesty gives us everything expected in the life, whereas a single lie may ruin our life by ruining relationships. Being a lie person may lose our all privileges of being trustworthy in the health. Trustworthy our life by relationships. Thank you very much.